Allahu Ghafoor, Allahu Rahim.
Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard a man who was supplicating by these words. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You have supplicated Allah using His greatest name. When somebody asked with this name, He gives. And when supplicated by this name, He answers. Allahumma inni as'aluka anni ashhadu annaka antallah la ilaha illa ant al-ahadu as-samad alladhi lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad." O Allah, I ask you, I be a witness, that you are Lord. There is no Lord but you, the one and only, the eternal, who has not begotten, and has not been begotten, and there is none like unto him. Sunan Abu Dawud, Sahih.